fifth red light, and we're off. Looks like everyone at the front's got a fairly good start there. Looks like somebody had a bit of a slow start, that mid-pack, so they all seem to be spreading out down that straight. Let's see how they go through turn one.
Oh, no contact in behind. Unfortunately, Kemp getting turned around. There's more. Adam Bryant getting caught up. And unfortunately, we've had carnage already at turn number one. Adam Bryant stopped on driver's right there, right midway through Hell Corner. Unfortunately, that might be in a pretty precarious position if you can't get that car refired here and into a safer spot. In the process, though, Bartholomew has got the lead heading up Mountain Straight here for the first time. It looks like Benny Bargwana might just get shuffled back here as they turn it into Griffin's Bend.
That's right. We've got Asher Johnston coming in underneath him, going through Griffin's, and Adam Bywater looks like is also going to position.
So Asher Johnston making up some spots here early. He's gone from position 3 up to that second spot now for Bartholomew. Let's have a look at what happened here at the start. So your 2 leaders get away. You need to look back just in this 3-wide battle pack here at the moment. The 116 machine is going to get shafted here. There it is, the contact, and unfortunately had nowhere to go. A slight overlap, and then the damage continued, unfortunately.